Hello aspirants, in this video we will show you the new booklet launched by Easy Spy. Here you get the index with detailed syllabus. Section wise it has been assembled. The book consists of beautiful images, diagrams, maps, flowcharts. As you can see here, the flowcharts that make the revision and the recall power quite easy. Every bit of minute details based on the past 10 years analysis of MPPSC Prelims papers. The maps and flowcharts, tabular forms makes it really interactive book. You can see here the beautiful maps, the rivers, their tributaries, the dams located on them, the waterfalls. The use of pictures and flowcharts make this book probably the best one in the market exclusively for English medium aspirants. Here the details of history syllabus, as you know these MP dynasties confuse a lot, so you can see the representation of Bundelkhand dynasty here. This is about the modern India. These are about the tribes. The tribes have been covered only from prelims perspective, not for mains in this book at least. The major palaces, major museums. So all in all, this book is a complete package for those aspirants who are just looking for a reliable source for prelims exam to cover MP